Hey everyone, it's Chris with Induction Cooking Facts, and today I'm going to go over 3 things that you should have if you have an induction cooking range. So these are 3 things that I think anyone who has an induction cooking range should have, and I'm going to leave links to these at Amazon. They're really easy to find over there. Go ahead and order those, and if you have Prime, within 2 days they're going to be sitting on your doorstep. So let's get started. First one we're going to get is this thing right here, and the best way to describe this is as an induction cooking plate. And what it is a piece of magnetic material that will sit on top of your induction range and heat up on its own. Now, you're probably wondering, why would you possibly want one of these? Well, if you have some aluminum items that you haven't replaced yet, or that you can't replace, so let's say my little mocha pot right here is aluminum, will not work on induction, I can go ahead and place this on top of it and it will heat up. Is it perfect? No, I wouldn't use this for like super high like stir fry woks. I think you should get like a wok that will work on your induction range, but for things like warming up tea or using an old pan or possibly using something like this, they work great. They're around 20, depending on when they're on sale, $20 to $30 over at Amazon. The next thing you want to get is this, and this is a cooktop cleaning kit from a Fresh. Now, this is recommended by Whirlpool, which makes KitchenAid, which makes JennAir, which makes Maytag, and of course makes Whirlpool. And when most people look at the tops of their ranges, they think it's glass, and like the rest of us, you use Windex or whatever, and it never completely comes clean. And that's because it's technically a ceramic cooktop. Now, what this does is it's got a little blade in there to scrape off any cooked on stuff, and then it has a polishing compound and some little polishing pads. And what you do is you scrape it off and then you polish it and then wipe it off, and by the time you're done with it, it looks brand new. It doesn't take long at all. I use this maybe about once a month when I do a deep clean, or after Thanksgiving or after Christmas, and I had made a mess. This worked absolutely great. Finally, we're going to talk to you about this little friend right here, which is the barkeeper's friend. Now, if you have anyone that actually is a bartender, they use a lot of stainless steel. And when you get induction range, most induction range owners end up getting something like a tri-ply kit, cooking kit to use on their induction range. And they're great because they hold heat real well, they're very durable, they'll last a lifetime. But a couple of things can happen. One is, if you don't pay attention, you can burn food onto it, which can be difficult to get off. And sometimes some of them will discolor a little bit over time. And in fact, you might have seen that on that induction plate. Now what you do is you put this on it, kind of scrub it down, and it will take that food off and it will take off those stains. Now, what's great about this is you don't need to use this just in the kitchen. You can use this to polish your chrome fixtures in your bathroom. You could take this out onto the, what we call the lanai here, or your deck, and you can use it to polish, the chairs that have discolored over time. This is just a really useful bit of kit right here. And again, really inexpensive, less than $8. So all of these together, you order it today, it's going to cost you probably less than $50, and this stuff will last you a while. So once you go ahead, click the link below and go ahead and order it. Now, if you have some friends that you think might get some use out of this, go ahead and share this with them, or at least give it a like so I know that you got a little bit of value out of this. And don't forget to subscribe for more videos about induction cooking. So I'll see you in the next video.